legal battle is unfolding between the Kabaka of Buganda, Ronald Muhenda Mutebi II, and the government of Uganda over prime land currently occupied by the Uganda People's Defense Force, UPDF, and other public institutions. The dispute could reshape how restored cultural property is managed in Uganda. Here is what you must know. First and foremost, what sparked the dispute? The Kabaka has filed multiple lawsuits against 12 district local governments and the Attorney General, arguing that several properties belonging to Buganda Kingdom are being unlawfully occupied. According to court filings, the land in question was confiscated during the 1966 political crisis. It was later restored under the traditional rulers as Restitution of Assets and Properties Act of 1993. The restoration process was further formalized through a 2013 agreement between the kingdom and President Yoweri Museveni. However, the Kabaka maintains that despite this restoration, government bodies have remained on the land without paying rent, entering lease agreements, purchasing the property, or vacating it. Secondly, which properties are contested? The disputed properties are not ordinary plots of land. They host strategic government and military installations, including district headquarters, Uganda prison facilities, Bombo Military Hospital, military staff quarters, Air Force Barracks, Air Force Secondary School, Entebbe, UPDF camp at Chitala, National Military Radio Center. Because of their nature, the case carries significant national security and administrative implications. Thirdly, what has the court decided so far? Justice Stephen Mubiru ruled that 7 separate civil cases filed across various high court circuits, including Masaka, Kiboga, Mubende, Lugazi, Luero, and Kampala, be consolidated into one case to be heard in Mukono. The Attorney General had opposed consolidation, arguing that the cases involve different parcels of land requiring separate evidence and witnesses. Government lawyers also warned of logistical challenges. However, the judge disagreed, stating that the suits raise substantially similar legal and factual issues. He emphasized that hearing them separately could lead to inconsistent judgments. Consolidating, he noted, ensures uniform determination and allows the court, if necessary, to make a global assessment of damages. Well, fourthly, what is the Kabaka seeking? The Kabaka is asking the court for eviction orders against government entities, compensation for trespass, damages for unjust enrichment, enforcement of his constitutional right to property. If he succeeds, the financial implications for government. Fifth, what happens next? The Kabaka has until March the 2026 to file a consolidated plaint. The respondents will then submit defenders. A full hearing is scheduled for April the 15th, 2026. So why this case matters? Beyond land ownership, the case touches on constitutional rights, historical justice, state authority, and cultural autonomy. The final ruling could set a landmark precedent on how restored kingdom properties occupied by public institutions are handled, whether through compensation, lease agreements, negotiated settlements, or eviction. The outcome may significantly influence relations between Buganda Kingdom and the central government for years to come.